Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Fidelity Investments website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to open. Select from options such as individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, or education savings accounts. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Next, you will need to provide your personal information. Enter your first and last name, date of birth, and social security number. Fill in your current residential address. Ensure the address matches your official identification documents. Now, provide your email address and a phone number where you can be reached. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. Make sure to remember this password for future logins. After entering all required information, review it for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Continue to proceed. You may need to answer a series of security questions for account protection. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember. Once you've completed this step, click Continue again. Next, you will be asked to review your account choices and fees associated with your selected account type. Take your time to read through this information to ensure it meets your needs. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click Continue to move on to the funding section. Here, you will have the option to link your bank account for initial funding. Provide the necessary bank account details, including the account number and routing number. You may also choose to fund your account via check or transfer from another brokerage. After entering your funding details, review this information carefully. Once verified, click Continue to proceed. You might be asked to verify your identity through a quick security check. Follow the prompts to complete this verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.